Hey YouTube, this is me again in my cooking, cutting up the mushroom. Well, you don't want to wash the mushroom. You just take this wetted paper towel, I guess. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. But, oops. Try not to do that. Yep. Oh, broken. Oh well. Then you just clean up the top part, whatever's dirty. Yep, whatever's dirty. And it's still alive. It's running away from me. You guys, can you see me? Okay, not much better, right? I'm a bad being a YouTuber. Cooking with me again. I'm trying not to sing. I'm a stupid singer. I can't sing. Alright. Yep. Making it all. Well, I'm making my video in the kitchen. That's what I'll be cooking. Do I look okay today? I look alright. I have more mushroom than I thought I could handle with one piece of paper towel here. Oops. Sorry, guys. It's hard to do videos. You know. Well, I think I got one more episode. See? This is all you do. And you just cut it. Again? You see this? Jumping around. I wish I had a better way of putting my camera on my phone. I'm gonna invest one of those stands for cameras and stuff. So I could be a legit YouTuber. Because the only light I have is my room light. Nothing else. Now, all you do is just slice it up. You can see me slicing it up. I got so much mushroom out here. You take one of, well, any one of them. I don't care. It doesn't matter. No, don't. You just all. Can you not see what I'm? Sorry, guys. You can't see what I'm doing or see me. See, all you be doing is like cutting like this. Well, try to make it even as you possibly can. Try not to cut yourself. It's gonna be very hard. Alright, you okay? What? Well, this is all you'd be doing. I'd rather watch movies right now. Yeah. I'll just make it in my room. Later, YouTube. Oh, hey. Welcome back. Don't mind that. See all this? You cut it into, well, slither, I guess. That's what you do. And then you cook the noodle, but you have to wait until the water boils and then cook it, right? See, look. Uh-huh. And if you're thirsty, where is my stuff? Oh, there it is. And you drink apple juice. Yeah, see? Yummy apple juice. Yeah, I know, this is gonna be the weirdest video in the world. Cooking, and I can't even hold the dang it camera. There you go. Yep, cooking, cooking, cooking. This is all you're gonna do. See me do. Right now, I'm just waiting for the water to boil. And cook the noodles first. I should have done that. Because the water takes a long time. Look at my hair. It's on point, I guess. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Why am I talking about my hair? I should talk about cooking. What the not to boil yet. Yeah. Can't even see it. See? I'm bad. Yep. That's all the stuff. This is me cooking. That's all I'm gonna do. You can hear me talking a lot. Because water not boil. And I cut all that mushroom up. See? I'll do this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm cooking noodles now. You see, it takes 8 to 10 minutes. So that's why I'm doing this, right? It's gonna be my video's gonna be off centered. Sorry about that. Hey guys, here you're gonna cook the meat until it's brown, and then you drain it off and put it back in the pot, and then you know what I'm talking about. Alright. That's what you're gonna do. Cook all that meat until it's brown, and then you drain it. All the sticking fat on all of it, right? Yeah. That's what I'm doing. Alright. Guys, this is what you do. You put everything together, and then you put the noodles in, and you're done. You see? Oh, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but here you go. My. That was pretty. That was, just. Alright. And you see all this right here? Wow, so good. I'm not hungry yet. It's going great. Alright. In a bit. Okay, here's your finished product. You guys, can you not see this? Did I did a good job? Or did I did a good job? I think I did. You see? Does it look yummy or what? I'll take a picture and put it on, you know. Please subscribe, comment, and like, I guess. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.